Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Deep Conditioner review. I use this deep conditioning treatment every month. It's great for dry hair. The results come quickly. It helps to detangle my hair effectively. It also makes my curls pop out. This deep conditioner is really affordable. The size of the bottle is 16 ounces. I really love the way it smells. It smells like citrus and florals. It has a thick consistency. It's paraben free. To use, it says, massage into clean wet hair, wait 3 minutes and rinse it out. Quick poll, do you deep condition before or after washing your hair? Leave a comment. This deep conditioner is infused with avocado and Australian jojoba oil. Avocado oil helps in reducing dandruff, detangling, preventing breakage, and protecting your hair from damage. Avocado oil is lighter than most other oils, so you can apply avocado oil on your scalp and throughout your hair without worrying about buildup, weighing down your hair, or clogging your pores. Avocado oil is great for scalp health. Avocado oil is able to quickly penetrate into the second layer of the skin, providing a deep moisturizing treatment to the scalp. This deep conditioner is also infused with jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is likely very helpful in treating dry, itchy scalp and dandruff issues. It's also rich in vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, B, vitamin E, copper, zinc that nourish the hair over time. It's a great product for promoting strong, silky, and shiny hair. Jojoba oil prevents hair breakage and strengthens your locks. This oil can also moisturize the scalp. My only problem with this product is that it feels a bit too thick. Did you try out this deep conditioner and did it work for you? What is your favorite deep conditioner? Do you make your own? If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll gladly answer it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Have a wonderful day.